Hi, I'm Denise Cooling, an attorney and mediator in Brighton, Michigan with Banfield Cooling Law and Mediation. This is to describe the streamlined divorce process. Streamlined divorce is a cooperative divorce process developed by our office, which also takes advantage of a new Michigan law, which became effective in 2019, for a fast-track divorce here in Michigan. So, streamlined divorce is not traditional divorce litigation with a plaintiff and defendant. Streamlined divorce is also not do-it-yourself forms. Instead, it's a process where our client and their spouse work through a set of comprehensive forms that we've developed to help you fill out in plain English, what is your divorce going to look like? What are your agreements regarding custody and parenting time if you have minor children? What are your agreements about your main assets? What are your agreements regarding support if that applies? And we guide you through the decisions that have to be made, and we're here to provide resources and advice for our client if you hit speed bumps or if you have questions. We're here when you need us, and where the forms can walk you through. The forms then become a very efficient way to organize your agreements and organize the information that we're going to need to properly complete the paperwork to fill out and draft your divorce orders and all of the friend of the court and court forms and state of Michigan forms which are necessary to complete your divorce agreement and take it through the court filing process. We're here also then to manage that court filing process and to be with you and to assist you in finalizing the divorce and wrapping up all the details after the court date. So it's a comprehensive and custom process, but we take advantage of the forms to the greatest degree possible, which helps save money, and it also helps save stress, and it keeps the decisions in the hands of the parties themselves while avoiding trial. And what we hear from our clients is they're typically much more satisfied with this process. We have an organized way to help you every step of the way, and it's on your own schedule. Until you file the court filing, there's no particular schedule, so it can be very quick for some parties and take a little more time for others, enabling them to gather the information they need and make the final decisions on a timetable that works for them. Streamlined divorce is not the type of action where one party can move it along on their own. That's typically a traditional divorce lawsuit if a party needs to be defaulted or if there are any threats of violence or secreting assets or draining assets. No, streamlined divorce is no substitute for good old-fashioned divorce litigation where good old-fashioned divorce litigation is exactly what's needed. But in my experience as a former Genesee County friend of the court referee, in my experience as an attorney and as a mediator, there are a large number of individuals who could take advantage of the fast-track process if only they were given an organized way to strike their agreements, to make sure that an attorney was on hand to review them and to do the proper paperwork and to guide them through court. And streamlined divorce is for that set of individuals who they may not agree with their spouse on many things, but they agree they don't want a trial, and they agree that with some guidance they can work through these things. And so the streamlined divorce is there for those individuals to help speed up the process, be efficient, and help them experience less stress because they have an organized way to make these decisions and then be bound by them when they're ready. So we appreciate the opportunity to give you more information about streamlined divorce. Of course, we have a free book which is available at streamlineddivorce.com, and that also helps assess between the different options. Going forward, I am going to prepare some future videos comparing and contrasting streamlined divorce to the do-it-yourself forms and comparing and contrasting streamlined divorce to a traditional divorce lawsuit. And then we've also found it might be helpful to post a video on the common mistakes that we find people encounter when they try to do a divorce in Michigan on their own, and what are some of the speed bumps, hiccups, and significant problems they face doing that. So it will help educate you and give you information about the different options through our book and through this series of videos to help choose the right action for you if you are considering divorce. So again, if you'd like the book, please visit streamlinedivorce.com. For information on the key points of this video, there's an outline below the video, and you're always welcome to learn more about our law firm in general at banfieldcooling.com. So we have plenty of resources, and we hope you find this helpful. Thank you for your attention and the opportunity to provide more information if that would be helpful. Thank you very much.